Welcome to week number 4. This is the second unit, and how do managers work with people. So this is a really interesting chapter, and I think that you'll find it enjoyable. Remember, you're about halfway at the end of this chapter, halfway through the courses. There's 8 weeks here. So make sure you're managing your time, you're up to date, and you're completing tasks on or before the due date. If you need to work ahead because of travel commitments and things like that, you certainly may. But you really want to stay on top of things here so you don't fall behind. I know it's easy to do, but you want to complete. You made it this far, you want to complete successfully, so finish strong. So how do we understand the corporation as a citizen? Corporations are seen as legal entities, as a legal person. A corporation can make contracts. Okay, it's seen as a legal person. So it has a special place in especially the U.S. legal system, but it goes beyond that. So as you read through week 4, here's some things to consider. The biblical principles of being a good neighbor. Corporations, like individuals, have a role to play in well-being of their communities, and managers have a key role to play in the org culture and being a good corporate citizen. And this is especially true for you as a Christian manager, what you aspire to do and accomplish. So this week we'll examine the internal and external environments of organizations and their corporate cultures. Remember, culture is nothing sacred about a culture. It's just a habit. Okay, and so we want to choose habits, and this comes from leadership, frankly, that are going to help us, number one, be competitive, but also deliver the product that we say we're going to, and the value that we promise to the market that we serve, whether that we're a for-profit or a non-profit. It's the same. But so we're going to discuss things such as corporate ethics, responsibility, sustainability, and so on. So make sure that you are working on that management informational interview, that you've got that rolling or scheduled at least. We're halfway. You don't want to leave that till the last minute. Start your week 5 article analysis early. That'll give you plenty of time to find one so you can look ahead a little bit. So here's the reading requirements, chapter 4 and chapter 5 in the Principles of Management book. Take notes. There's a couple of videos, factors that affect organizational performance, and what is corporate social responsibility. And it's okay to be critical of these ideas too. So it's not just a panacea of corporate social responsibility. It's how do we make sense of this and remain competitive, and what does this actually mean? And then we've got other assignments which we'll cover in the next video. So this should get you going. An interesting chapter. Keep going strong, and I'll be interested to see your work.